What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing in something special to the channel, and this is the Hotwheels RLC Lamborghini Countach LP 500. This is one of the cars which has been released through the Hotwheels collectors website, and this was released at the beginning of this year as I remember, and thankfully because of 6 Wheels Diecast I was able to bring it down here, so a major shout out to them. The thing I love about RLC is that it comes in a fancy acrylic clear box with a shiny sticker underneath, and that shiny sticker has the numbers that shows which number you get. Let's talk about the car. It comes in a opening scissor doors and the spectra flame black paint which looks amazing on the zamac body kit, and they have also released this edition in the real rider Baja Aero tires which looks fabulous. Absolutely loving this edition, and this is probably going to be one of my favorite RLCs so far, and glad that it's in the Diecast collection. So as always guys, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the updates, since we are bringing in with a lot of releases, and also we are bringing in something special to the channel, that is from all over the world people are sending us edits which they have done through Diecast. So I'll be doing a review of all the edits that I've gotten so far, and I'll be putting up a video very soon. Since we've been talking about Lambos, here's another Lambo Huracan Evo which was released with the collaboration of Mini GT and Mizo exclusive for US exclusives. Also, you don't have to worry about the packaging since this comes in a blister package, and also they have provided the normal Mini GT box inside the blister package, so even if you remove it, well, you can still have it in the box. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys with another video soon.